Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A54s, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will remove screen lock if you have one set that, for instance, you don't know. So anyway, let's get started with it. I'm going to quickly lock the device so you can see I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen. So hold power key and select power off. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and a volume down at the same time. So let's do that right now. You will see recovery mode at the bottom, at which point you can let go of those two keys and simply wait for the actual recovery mode to show up. From here, tap on the desired language, select wipe data, and then choose format data. As you can see, this gives us some kind of randomly generated code for different digits. So for me it's 3226, and from there you can just confirm it by tapping on format. This will begin the process. Now this will most likely take a couple minutes to finish up, so just be patient. Once you click on OK, it will continue the process in the background, which, like I said, will take a couple minutes, and once that is finished, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.